Okay, Rob here once again with Smart Profit Money. I'm here to give you a quick overview on one of the best WordPress themes to use for affiliate marketing. So if you're still trying to figure out which is the best WordPress theme or which one has a built-in funnel system and has no monthly charge, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you how I did that. Okay, so we are back. Should be able to see my pointer on screen. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want to first cover a few things. Let me tell you what this video is going to be about. I'm going to go into the builder. This is Profit Builder. This is what I use to build all my websites, all the funnels, all that stuff. So there is no monthly charge, number one. It comes with its own funnel system and many templates to choose from for affiliate marketing. So if you guys are really into affiliate marketing and you want a all-in-one system, then this is the one to choose. So let me just start showing you around and you guys can be the judge of it here. So let's go ahead and look at let's go to my main blog. This is the Smart Profit Money website, and you can see that I did build this on Profit Builder. So you can change anything you guys want. Let me scroll up and down. Once you guys get good at this, you can change any design, any custom template. You can see I do have the videos here on the bottom. I have a section here in the middle. Super easy to use. It's drag and drop editor. So if you guys are trying to get away from the very expensive monthly payments of fees that everybody has, then this one's great. All you need is hosting with WordPress, and then you guys are fine. So I'm going to go into the page builder settings and all the funnels and just everything hanging there. So there's a lot of pages for me to click on, so this video makes sense. So just wait for me to click on all this good stuff coming up. Okay, so let's go right into, I showed you this one. I have my course here. You can lay out the way you guys want it to be laid out. It's super easy to do. Keep your eye on the header. A lot of people are interested in the way the headers work. This is a sticky header, so it does go to a smaller size as soon as you start to scroll down. Now, a lot of you were maybe wondering, does it have a lot of options? Yes. I'm going to go into the options. Tons of options to choose from. You can change anything you guys want around. So I'll get to that in 1 second. Let me just show you how you can do custom builds. This is a custom one-off theme of my own that I did for my own affiliate course. And I'm going to scroll up and down. And you can see how I did this one. Of course, the choice is yours. You know, you can just change anything around. The colors, custom timers. This has a custom pop-up. Somebody wants to join, they click here. You can see how I did that. So yes, it does have all kinds of stuff that you can change. I mean, tons of stuff. It has a built-in funnel system. So when you create your one-page funnels, you can see how I did it here on my demo. This is our demo that we have for the course. It just lays them all out, and I'll get back to this here in 1 second. So let's go ahead and look at some of the templates. You guys are probably curious about that. If you choose this, it comes with its own theme. So the theme is basically like the way I do it is I run my theme, and on top of my theme, I overlay it with a custom template, a one-off that I have built, or you can choose one of the ones that it comes with. So as you can see here, these are all the templates. So if you guys are just new to this whole thing, you're not really good at building it, which it's easy. You can watch all the videos on it, or you can really get into this. And if you need my course is basically tells you how to use everything exactly. But whatever you guys want to do, it's fine. I'm not trying to push the course on you, but let's scroll up and down here. But you can see this here. It's just tons of templates to choose from. Now if they say club, that's part of the club. If you're not part of the club, then you won't get that template, but there's still a bunch. And let me scroll somewhat fast because there's so many. I'll slow down a little bit. Let me stop here so you can kind of like get a view. But you can see that here. There's just tons. I mean, so it's drag and drop editor, no monthly fee. You're basically going to run your theme and then your custom theme template on top of your theme, and hopefully that makes sense. And you'll get the hang of it when you start working with it. Any questions you have, if you have any questions, just go ahead and click on Ask Rob. I'll try to answer all the questions. I use this every day, and I built a whole bunch of websites already on it. So I'm really, familiar with this product. It's really awesome. I used to work with another page builder, but now I'm only using Profit Builder. It's just the best one and has all this stuff. So I'm still scrolling. It just goes on and on. So let's get to the bottom here, and I'll keep moving on. Okay, so that's pretty much, we're at the bottom now. So let's just scroll all the way back up back up to the top. So all you guys do is click install. When you install them, then you go inside your editor and you go ahead and start turning things on and turning things off. Let me just go ahead and show you another custom one-off that I did. This is for one of my affiliate products. This is inside the demo. This is part of the course. Like I said, I have a course. I show everything, how to do all this stuff in the course if you guys are interested. But right here, you can see this here. This is a one-off through me. It's got its own opt-in form, all this stuff here. And it's just, you can change anything you guys want. Let's go into the theme options. Now, a lot of people think that Profit Builder theme does not have a lot of options. It has tons of options, or else I wouldn't be using it. First of all, it comes with all the templates. So you get your theme, you get the templates, and you can just build whatever you guys want, and there's no monthly fee. But let me just keep showing you. You got right here, I'm going to scroll up and down. I'll go kind of fast in this because there's just so much. You can see that here, all the theme colors you can change. Contact settings, not much here on these pages, these two, custom CSS. But right here is where there's tons of stuff. Right here, I'm going to go scroll up and down. You can see that if you're looking for a theme with a lot of options, yes, right here, you can control anything. And if you look at some of the stuff that I've built, you can see how I do it. It's just everything's changeable, and colors, margins, paddings, all that stuff. I realize I'm going kind of quick, but there's just so much. I mean, I just want you guys to see that you do have all these options here. I'm going to click on a few so you can see what I'm talking about and all that stuff. So again, the way you want to use this is, just let me stop for 1 second. You want to use your theme, okay, the Profit Builder theme, and you're going to overlay it with a custom template. When you get really good at it, you can do what I do, and I build custom one-offs on top of the theme. That's how you want to run it. A lot of people get confused in that. They're like, why would you have a theme and then all the templates? That's just the way you're supposed to do it. The way I figured out and the way it works best for me. Breadcrumbs, all this stuff here. Single post and blog, it just goes on and on. Okay, just tons of stuff. Okay, footer settings. It just keeps going on and on. And sidebar and widgetized areas. Let me show you that. You can turn things off and on. And right here is sidebar manager. So this is really cool. Let me talk about this really quick. What you guys want to do is build a bunch of different sidebars. You're going to name them. What you're going to do then is go into your pages. Let me show you what I'm actually talking about. Right here, when you're inside your theme under WordPress and you're setting things up, you can see that this is one page here that I have set up. This is a post. And right here on the right is my sidebar. So you can actually have, like if you go to some of my different pages, there are different sidebars and different posts for different pages. And I'm still working on my own website as well because I came over from another builder. So I'm still bringing different pages over and changing everything around. But this is one that's done, and this is the sidebar that I'm showing. Some of my other pages I'll show a different sidebar under different sidebar or posts. So not to get confused, you can build as many sidebars as you want, and you can show different ones for different pages or posts. So hopefully that makes sense. Back to theme options, and right here widget styles, all that. And then of course you have advanced settings, of course. So there's really a whole bunch of things you can do here. You can put in your Facebook pixel, the G tag from Google, all that stuff. So it is jam-packed. Don't think that it's missing anything. Everything's here. That's why I use it. So if you go into one of the pages, this is your regular WordPress page. You'll see that you'll get right here on the right a bunch of options. Just make sure you turn them on under screen options and you'll see them appear here. So what you do is when you're inside a brand new page and you want to overlay it with your theme options, your template that you made, and you don't want the regular theme to appear, you only want, like me, like I only turn on like the footer most of the time. I turn everything off, and that's how I actually do it. But there's just so much. I don't want to confuse anybody here. There's just a bunch of stuff to choose right here, and just goes on and on. I'm going to scroll up and down. You can see that we have more and more. A/B testing, your funnel builder right here. So you can create funnels. Let's go into that. You can see how I showed you that earlier, but right here you have your funnel system. So this is a simple funnel, like the main page, home page, thank you page, and click to access product. So again, when you get crazier with this, you'll have like me on some of my funnels. This is like double the size or triple the size. It just grows and grows on what kind of funnel system you're trying to build. This is a one-page funnel. Even though it has 3 pages, it's only because it's trying to access the product, but it's really a one-page funnel. You build one page, drive traffic to it, and then bam, you'll start getting your sales. These numbers here are only us going into the training program when we're filming. That's what these are here, but it does have unique views. It was on draft mode, but right now it's published, so it's getting a few views now. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's go in here and I'll show you some of the editor stuff. Right here, this is one of the little templates that it comes with. I did throw away some stuff that's here, so it does not even look complete. And this is not one of the real good ones because I've used this just for training. I'm just trying to show you some of the different, the way the rows, and right here where I'm pointing. So when you're over a row or you add a row, you get the purple editor, and these are the elements that are inside the row. So super easy to do. So if you were to click here, the pencil icon, this is going to open up, and this is your editor, and that's going to be just for the row. We're inside the row. All this stuff you see here, I scroll up and down, controls your row. So that's going to be the editor for the row. So we'll close that and go right back out. Now we're inside right here. You can see that these light up in blue. These are your elements. This is a short code for this element here, which is a text element. They're going to say what they are here. Of course, I know I'm going somewhat fast, but I just want you guys to get to see what it looks like. All the options are here. And of course, we have the padding, margins, all that stuff. So there's all kinds of stuff. So let me close this one and show you right here. So if we go here, like I have on one of my main course here, this is the pop-up. You click here, and this is what controls your form HTML2. You just put your code here, you drop it in, you basically hit close and you hit save. You always hit save, and bam, it pops up just like that's what the pop-up is. Of course, I'm going to close that, but that's all controlled here. You put your code in, it's ready to go. One click and you guys are done. Then the way you saw it pop up, you can show on exit intent, or show when somebody tries, well, that's when somebody tries to close out, or when somebody clicks the button, it's going to show as well. You can change the colors on the button. You can change the progress bar, all that stuff. Everything's editable. They did not leave anything out on Profit Builder. You can change everything you guys want throughout all the themes, and you can create the one-offs. The one-offs are super easy to do. So if you want to use one of these again, you just go in here and click install, and they go inside the editor, and you start working with them, and you just work with the rows and the elements, and you can just change out the pictures, change out text, and you guys are done. So it's that easy to use Profit Builder. You can use the theme, and you can overlay it with the templates. So hopefully that makes sense. That's why I use it. There's no monthly fee. I don't think I'm going anywhere. I don't like jumping around in too many builders, but I had to. There was too many problems with the last one I was using, and I want just something that works and doesn't have any problems. And that's what you're getting here. Everything just works. And you can see again that if you want something totally custom, this one's okay. I'm probably still going to change a lot of things around. I'm working on my colors on this one as well. But this one's pretty much the way I wanted it to actually look. So something custom one-off, there it is there. The course is done the way we actually wanted it, and it totally is super nice inside the members area. I built a, you can build a complete membership system. I do run my own membership websites involved with the Profit Builder. So all that's done through here. They're not missing anything. Of course, you're going to have to use a membership plugin to do that as well. And let me keep going here. So that's pretty much it. I think I covered pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys. But again, look at all these to choose from. So if you guys are looking for a theme that comes with a system to build affiliate products and has many templates to choose from, they are very rare to find one on WordPress that's this good. This is like the best of the best. So the theme, all the funnels that you can build, all the templates, and the theme, it comes with both. So you can choose any of these and build as many as you guys want. Super easy to do. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and just click on Ask Rob, and subscribe to my channel. Leave it in the comments if you have another question. I do try to answer back as quick as possible. And again, if you're new to affiliate marketing, check out my course, and it does lay out pretty much everything that I do. I show you all the custom stuff, and that's pretty much it. So I will leave you guys with this. And if you have any questions, like I said, go ahead and ask me. And if not, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.